Hello, welcome to Android Tutorials. In the previous tutorials, we have created an interface to send email in Android applications, means in Android cell phones. Right now, so we can create a Java application to send email using this interface. So here in this interface, we have three text view and three edit text here, and one button, and each will be having an ID. So one is ET MSG, ET sub, ET email. So these are the edit text, and the button will be having the ID, BT, and send. So using these IDs, we can access them in Java file, and we can create an application that can send email. Right now, what we need to do, I need a first string variable, string subject. I will take comma email ID comma message. So these three variables which are required for me here. Then I will take the edit text objects, edit text. So ET email comma ET MSG comma ET subject. I need to import this edit text. Import it. Import edit text. Now I want a button control. Button VDM send. I'll take. I need to import the button. So import button. Then we need to access them right now. So this email equals to email equals to how you edit text find view by ID r dot id dot et email. So this is nothing but, so this et email will be assigned to this et email, means it is nothing but this edit text control which is there in activity underscore main.xml file, and that can be done using r java file. That r.java file will be under generated file using its id, which is the inner class in that r.java file, and using this id I am accessing that control and assigning that XML control to this our Java control, that is of type edit text. Now et message equals to, again it will be the edit text find view by id r dot id dot et msg, then it is subject equals to, again it is an edit text control in the XML file. So by id dot id dot et sup subject. Okay. Now btn send equals to button find view by id dot id dot. So how btn send. Now what I need to do is once I enter email ID, subject and message, I need to click on the send. Once I click on the send here in this output, once I click on the send, so it has to show me this, so it's still loading here. Alright, so this once I enter email ID, subject and message here, I have to click on send. Once I click on send, it has to send the email to the receiver which I have given in the email. So here which I have given in the this edit text that is called enter email ID. So here that I have to mention that main.xml main activity.java, I have to put btn send dot, I have to handle the on click set on click listener here, this, and then I need to implement on click listener. Okay, I implemented on click listener. Once I implement on click listener, I have to override the method which is on click add an implemented method. But I got this method right now. So here in this method, so we have only one button, we can handle it easily here in on click. So what I need to do when the user is going to send, is going to put email ID as well as message and subject and then click on send. Then here I have to open an intent, means I have to execute an intent here. intent email intent I pass intent email intent equals to new intent of intent dot. So I have to go for action underscore send. So this is the intent which is used to send the email, which will open the email services which are available in the cell phone. So email intent dot, I have to go for put extra method. I have to go for put extra method to put the values over here. So email intent put extra intent dot extra underscore email, to go for extra underscore email, then here new string. So this should be the string array. Then I have to go for this email ID. It's done with that. Now next is email intent dot put extra, then intent dot extra underscore subject, to go for a subject. For this I have to go for subject. Then email intent dot put extra, I have to go for intent dot extra underscore, to go for a text here, and that will be the message. So now what we need to do, we need to start activity email intent. Alright, so this has been done now. Right now what I need to do is see, actually here in this program I taken this string subject, email ID and message, and those subject, email ID, message does not have anything because they are still null here, so I have given them over here. What I need to do, I need to access these controls from this controls edit text, whatever the value that user is going to put into this email ID and message and subject, that I need to assign them to the subject, email ID and message. That I can do here. So here subject email ID equals to et email dot get text dot to string. It's done now. And et subject sub equals to et sub dot get text dot to string. Right. Now here it should be subject equals to et sub. Now message equals to et msg dot get text dot to string. So this has been done now. So right now what we need to do is, see, for this, after this intent dot extra subject, what I need to do is email intent dot set type. I have to mention here the type is here we need to mention plain by text. This is the type that I am going to send the message type here. So that is message is that is plain text. So here, so the subject, I have to mention the email ID as an array here, string array, and then action send will be the default intent, means it is an intent, it's inbuilt intent which is used to send email here, and then I need to start the activity that is called email intent. So once I click on this button, so this btn send, so the values which are given in the text controls, that will be access to email ID, subject and message, and they will be given as a parameter to the email intent, and then activity will be started, means it will start sending a mail to the person. Okay, so a mail to the person to which you want to send, which has given in email ID, means it email text control. Now we need to run this application in directly in the cell phones. So just what you need to do is run this Android application, and once the application has been executed, you need to go for a bin directory, and in bin directory you find myapp.apk. So put this myapp.apk into your cell phone and execute the program, so that then it will successfully execute in your cell phone. Thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can see more applications on Android.